say make a right, or at the corner make a
Hi
left.
friends, Jay Eichmann,
Okay.
Road Test
Also,
Success, and I'm
the window,
excited to
when
share
you
this
turn right
video in
here,
from
look in the
SoCal.
right mirror.
What a great
There's snow
facility
there,
to
so you
take
can
your
check
road
the
test.
traffic.
The examiners here are
Do you have any
relaxed and
questions?
professional, and the road
No.
course traffic is
We'll go
very
ahead and
light.
start at the
Remember,
exit
as
to the left.
always, in the comments, that's a great place for you to ask your questions and encourage other people. Leave the date of your own test, and we'll wish you luck. I want to give a big shout out thank you to JM for providing this video and being a part of our free Dashcam for Video project. If you're interested in submitting your own video and having your Dashcam paid for by us, then check the links in the details below or click on that info card above. So this test video includes that rear view camera look, and I've positioned that rear view camera so that it simulates a rear view mirror. And what I
At
want
the
you to do
corner,
as you
make a right.
watch this video is I want you to practice scanning that mirror. Now, scanning your mirrors and blind spots are a big portion of the behind the wheel test. Often we see critical comments about, well, you guys didn't even do parallel parking and this, that, and the other thing. And the truth is, an experienced examiner, by watching you in the first 2 minutes on the road test, is going to know whether or not you are a safe and skilled driver. And a lot of it is about your awareness to the things going on around you. The way I tell my own students is, for the last 15, 16, 20 odd years, you have been a passenger in a vehicle and you've had the luxury of enjoying the ride. Now you're going to be the operator of that vehicle, and your thinking has to change a bit. You're in control of what that vehicle is doing, and you need to know what's going on around you. Situational awareness is a huge part of the examination. And so as you're watching this video, I want you to scan that rear view mirror. And I want you to be aware of cars that are coming up on your left and right sides. And as you practice your driving behind the wheel driving, and as you take your exam,
At
I
the
want you
corner,
to
make a right.
consciously show the examiner that you are alert and aware of everything going on around you. So for this test, I'm going to sit back and be quiet and let you just focus on what's going on the road test.
Pull over and park. So the skill that you're going to show me is backing. Continue backing until I say stop. Don't hit the curb. Don't go into the traffic lane. Just straight back. Okay. You can stop. Thank you. Get back in traffic. Continue driving. At the corner, make a right. make a right. Make a lane change to the left, one lane change. Make a lane change to the right. At the corner, make a right. At the corner, make a right. At this corner, make a left, right here. At the corner, make a right. At the corner, make a left. At the corner, make a left. At the corner, make a left. At the corner, make a right. At this entrance, make a right. At the end, make a left. Go through the right side of the cone so we can go around. At the end, there's 3 parking spaces, so you can park on the last one, the one closest to the exit. You can turn off the engine, thank you. So, congratulations, you passed. There's some